The Keychron K3 version 2 is an excellent budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that offers a lot of features for its price. With a low-profile design, this keyboard is comfortable to use and doesn't require a wrist rest, which is a great advantage. However, it does have some drawbacks when it comes to typing quality. The keys tend to wobble slightly, and the ABS plastic keycaps can become shiny and slippery over time with heavy use. Despite this, the build quality is impressive, with a sturdy aluminum chassis that minimizes deck flex, a feature often found on more expensive models. This keyboard is a great option for those who want to customize their switches, as it comes in a hot swappable configuration, allowing you to easily change the switches to your preference. If you're looking to save some money, you can opt for the non-hot swappable version, or you can choose the white-only backlighting instead of full RGB, which is a nice option to have. One of the standout features of the Keychron K3V2 is its compatibility. It has a toggle switch to easily switch between macOS and Windows, and it comes with Mac-specific keycaps installed. Additionally, it supports VIA software, which allows for extensive customization, including key assignments, backlighting adjustments, creating custom profiles, and even recording macros. Overall, the Keychron K3V2 is an impressive mechanical keyboard, especially for its price point. While it may not have the highest quality typing experience, its low-profile design, customization options, and sturdy build make it a great choice for those on a budget who still want a feature-rich mechanical keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.